Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have new Wurkkos EDC flashlight. It's TD02 with SST40 LED and it was sent to me by Wurkkos themselves. As always, link will be in video description. So hello, today we have EDC flashlight from Wurkkos TD02 and let's see what's in the box and how the box looks. Here we have the model TD02 SST40 LED, color temperature of the LED, set made in China. Inside we have a manual, we have spare O-rings and lanyard, and USB-C charging cable. Now let's take a look at the manual, user manual, written in English, I guess German and Chinese. And we have ANSI chart here, so you can pause if you need. And we have 5 modes: Eco, Low, Medium, High, Turbo, and plus strobe. 10, 100, 400, 1000, 2000 lumen on turbo, but I measured less. Here are runtimes. You can check the beginning of the video for runtimes, for my measurements. Yeah, and nothing much more here, some specifications. Now let's take a look at the flashlight itself. Quite small flashlight with the clip. Here we have SST40 LED. We have charging port for USB-C. Nothing to complain here. It's a bit hard to close, but stays firmly. And we have rubber tail button. Quite aggressive knurling. So inside we have the tail cap spring. We have included battery from Wurkkos, 18650. 3000 milliamperes, and this part also has the spring. And this one, this tube, you can use like this, or you can use it like this. So it was like this. Let's put like this time. So depending where you want the clip to be, either this side or that, you can just change sides. Yeah, that's how the flashlight looks. And now let's see the UI. UI is quite simple. You press to turn it on, and half press to cycle modes. 5 modes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And back to low. It has memory, so second, third mode, turn it off, turn it on, it's back on third. And double press for strobe, so warning. And this is minus, in my opinion. I would prefer double press to be turbo. yeah, simple UI. And now let's see how it performs in the dark. So see you there.
Baby, why can't you sleep at night? Tell me lies, I just wanna know the truth. Do or die, is it me or is it you? You can't say I haven't tried to cross this great divide. Your feelings come and go, but I still love you so. There is nothing I won't do to make this dream come true. Darling, you can walk away, but I keep coming back to you. You can't say I haven't tried to cross this great divide. Your feelings come and go, but I still love you so. There is nothing I won't do to make this dream come true. Darling, you can walk away, but I keep coming back to you.
I hope you enjoyed watching my review. So, some final opinion about this flashlight. I think it's a great EDC flashlight for its price. The only downside, not the only, maybe two downsides are, one is smaller, so double press gives you strobe. I don't like it. I would prefer turbo to be double press and let it be 3 press for strobe, but I would be good with only 2 for turbo. And the other disadvantage it has is that it's not stabilized. And as it's a bit of kind of thrower, I would prefer it to be stabilized. So maybe in the future we'll see this flashlight changed to stabilized driver. And anything else, no complaints about it. You have the charging for USB-C. You have great design, good knurling, easy to hold, comfortable, easy to turn it on, switch modes. Very nice flashlight. So I would say it's a success with some disadvantages. Let me know your opinions. Maybe you have it already or you are going to get it. So let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, and goodbye, guys.